So guys, this is the first time using the new GoPro. It's like the old one is going to be resigned to places where I'm not really worried about the camera getting scratched, dropped or robbed, like our upcoming trip. So today we're going to go out and have a look, because Lily is obsessed with motorbikes. So she wants to just go and have a look at a few motorbikes. So I'm going to go and film a few bikes, just show you a few bikes, and then maybe the guy in the shop can give us some info on ages, sizes, stuff like that. But she's got a bit of information for the future. What?
Where's my eyelashes gone?
She asked me where her eyelashes has gone. I don't know. I'm not the keeper.
On the side and they're gone.
Well, I don't know, mate. I don't look. I get up, make breakfast, start the day. Anyway guys, let's get ready, get off and have a look at some bikes. The first one we went to, guys, is called Sharrock's. We're obviously in Preston, so if anybody wants to come down, they've got a full workshop at the back, they've got tyres, everything going on. Never seen so many bikes inside a shop. Right, this second one we came to is Boca BMW, and my favourite one was this one in the window here. How many's at the back? Right, I think we've got one more shop to go. Right guys, we're at the next shop now, superbike.co.uk. We come here because apparently they've got some 125s and 50cc's. So sorry. So just come to this one after a recommendation, but he just told me off for filming. He said you can't film without permission. I said can I get permission? And he said no, everything's online, don't film in my shop. So I ain't gonna review this one. I told him that I was just YouTubing, but it was quite rude. And I'd asked questions about the bike, and I'd been and had a look at a bike. So we could have potentially come back for a bike, spent £2 grand on a bike, but nope. So that's Kawasaki, Preston, superbike.co.uk. They do supply Royal Enfield. I will put a bit of footage in that I just took. Only because the bike's nice. Obviously the shop ain't. So Lily, which one's your favourite?
Maybe that ninja one right there, or there's
What about of the day?
Oh, the first and the second shop.
First and second shop, so that was Sharrock's. Really good shop, I like that one myself. Boca was okay, it's just BMW supply. So yeah, that's our bike day adventure over. Lily's got herself some bike gloves. Now she just needs to hold a bar or something and pretend she's got a bike.